farm and agricultural stuff, you know. Never made any money, but
Lived happily.
it's a nice place to live. Okay.
One of the Jane's Walk participants mentioned that every few weeks the flowers are different, the labyrinth is different, and you can see it in the winter time after one of the first snows. It really stands out beautifully. So all the Jane's Walk participants had an opportunity and an invitation to come back several times, different seasons, and see how the labyrinth changes. Here's the center of the labyrinth, which really shows up. And it's quite different in winter and in summer. As old as the aspens are and the oak trees, just next door there's big blue stem grass that was saved with an additional 0.7 acres of park, and it's been aged at over 300 years. What a treasure to save.